Friday morning. What's today? 21st?
Yes.
Okay, 21st. It is 8:49, 79 degrees. We're on our way to Tallahassee for the train show tomorrow. We're going to spend the night in Tallahassee and then go to the train show early in the morning. But we got our Wawa coffee and heading to Davenport for breakfast at Chick-fil-A. All right, we're driving down through downtown Tallahassee on our way to the train show, and right over to the right is the Capitol. Right there.
It's trying to get some more of it.
Okay, there we go. All right, so it's 9:05. The train show already started, and I'm in the wrong one. Okay, we just walked in the door of the one building. Here we go. I'm going to head on back there now. Over here. With the HO on this side over here. Some more Lionel. Vintage train collectors. All right, good deal. ANS trains. Hey, there he goes. Debbie's having a good time taking videos of the layouts. Here's an HO T-Trak. Some of the modules here.
Matter of fact, I got some recording here. Yeah, powered to the other corner. Okay, so let me see.
Eight, 10, and 12. Here we got the Garden Railway. Oh, wow. They got some railroad quilts. Alright.
Yeah, well, we have a lot of those. Yeah, we did a couple of them. My dad helped run the show.
I got her card and information.
It's getting cold, so these bags are nice.
Get it quilted, so by securing these 3 layers together.
Got a lot of woodland scenics. $75 for the little sawmill. This was one of my first kits that I bought when I was a kid. $50. I probably paid about $4.95 for it. Here's the T-Trak extravaganza by Denison. All the different T-Trak modules. Here is the T-Trak layout. Okay, starts here and snakes all the way down. To the other end. That's a nice one right there. Crisscrossing. 3 modules right there.
Huh?
All these by Andy Zimmerman, Senior Chief.
The rock out's coming this way too.
Alright, once it passes, I'll be on my way.
Oh, here we go.
Doing it right now.
The entire T-Trak system is run off of this unit right here with a Raspberry Pi and other components. I got 12 bar mill kits right now. Actually, the cigar corner got 5 buildings, and then you know, all the other ones together. But here's what Debbie. Go ahead.
I said, when you build all of those, you can get another kit.
Not until then.
Not until then.
Not until so. I'm grounded until I finish all those kits. So I got to get busy.
Yes, you do.
The boss has spoken.
Yes.
More layouts and vendors at the Tallahassee Train Show coming up in part 2. So stay tuned for that. So until the next time, we'll see you and have fun with whatever you're doing.